Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gormadon and welcome to today's video. So today's video is about true love in which a couple hacks not their hearts but 16 computers. A Spanish couple was arrested for hacking 16 store computers to mine cryptocurrencies. The pair who installed malware on these stores' machines intended to benefit from the lucrative trade of cryptocurrencies using greater computing power of the store's machines. The malware installed by the couple enabled them to remotely manipulate the devices and in process carry out transactions. Staff in the store became suspicious of this when they noticed the fans of the computers were operating at maximum capacity for a long duration. The staff examined the machines, which were new on display, as they should not have been operating, only to find that they had been tampered with and were being controlled remotely. The autonomous police force in Tarragona were called, and their investigators identified who was behind the breach, despite their attempts to hide their identity and their location. Had the breach not been identified, the hackers would have stood to make significant profits. So, how did they do it? CCTV showed that the couple had visited the store pretending to be buyers. The woman would get the store employee to turn the machine so that she could look at it before moving to another machine and repeating the process. Each time, her partner would remain behind and use a USB stick to upload the malware. Hacking 16 store computers to mine cryptocurrencies resulted in significant damage, with the 24-hour usage of the machines causing extensive damage to the machines. The damages were believed to be a region of 20,000 euros. Why malware? Crypto mining takes extensive computing power as well as consuming large amounts of electricity. The equipment needed is expensive, plus the heavy usage and openness to malware means that crypto miners prefer to use someone else's machine. At least we can say for sure the couple saw through the hacking process and the jail time together. Hope you liked today's video. Do like, share, subscribe to this channel, and that's all, folks.